We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how to screen record Apple Music. So it is a very simple and quick thing to do. It's hard to generically tell you how to do that on all the phones, but I will just show you the generalized way of doing that. I mean, on an iOS-based device, it will be identically the same. So the people that have an iPhone or an iPad may be at ease. So if you would like to screen record your Apple Music, just open the control panel or control center. Try to find the screen recording shortcut. I do not have it here. That's fine. You can go into settings, then find the control panel or control center. Then from all the more controls list, find the screen recording, add it to your included controls list, and now you can get back to the Apple Music app. Tap at this icon to start the screen recording. Record whatever we intended to, and then stop the recording like that. On an Android phone, the procedure will be somewhat the same. Just open the Apple Music app, then open the control panel or control center of your respective Android smartphone. Try to find the screen recorder icon. Here it is in my case. Just start it, record the screen, do whatever you want to show or share with others, and then stop it like that. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.